I just listed this really cute home just off 4th Street in St. Petersburg, and I'm really excited about it. This home has a beautiful kitchen with stainless steel appliances and lots of storage. I'm standing in one of the 2 large bedrooms in this house, and this one has French doors that open onto the large deck and the beautiful backyard. This large bedroom has a beautiful bay window and lots of closet space. It has a beautiful open floor plan with French doors that open up to the deck, a brand new deck, and a beautiful large backyard. The garage has been converted to half laundry room, indoor laundry room, heated and cooled, and then the other half is a work area, but that could easily be converted back to a garage if that's what you're looking for. This block home is amazingly priced at $299 with no HOA fees. If you'd like to see this home, please call me today.